The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Galveston County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:36 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hamshire to near Stowell to 8 miles north of Gilchrist, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winnie, Stowell, and Bolivar Peninsula. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.